Welcome to Thomas and Friends Games. World's strongest engine. Water Gel! There'll be a mini end of attack and a mini on the losing side. We'll get a water bottle, and the water gel. Water gel? There's no way falling in the water gel. I'm not so sure, Mini Toby. I had a water on the mini spell really scary. I fallen in the water gel. And now let's get started with Oliver vs. Connor. I'm Connor's first time I've won of a competition of a Choo Choo channel. Okay, come on! How do you do for this? I just know what it all going, and this is very scary. Next up, Paxton vs. Doc. And how Percy vs. Thomas. What is that for me? That was a water gel. I'm very scary. Facing up the quarterfinals, it's Gator vs. Toby.
Ooh, Jack.
Hey, what happened, Toby? I just saw it bounce like a tennis ball! Semi-finals, Paxton vs. Gay Connor. If you could see. Connor goes on to the finals. So he faced Pussy or gator? Gator wanna came back. Mini Ferdinand, I am very scary. Oh no, Mini Dash. I couldn't see. Final round, Gator versus Connor. Connor, you can do it! Oh no, I had a very good. Come on, Gator, you can do it. I can't have it a push off. Gator, hang on. Whoa, man, you gotta be kidding me. What's wrong? Mini Cindy and Mini Tommy! I had a very scary! Oh no! This is such a good friend! Oh no! Help! I'm stuck in a mountain and can't get away! Gator is the winner! And it's first competition! And I had a very special to be saying. What's that? Why are you getting rude? I know what's going on. I was singing on this flower. I had a water gel. I'm very scary. I want to see this. Oh no! That was a water bottle! It was like a heart! That's okay, Mini Dash Mash. I had a very good time. Somebody please open a water jar. It's so cold. It's so cold. Is it at last? We can finally get a special to myself when they call it. Hey, Mini Toby! What happened? There was a water gel! It was kept sign! Oh, Mini Pussy! What happened? I had a very special day! Hey, Mini Flynn! What happened? What's wrong? I had a very special day with him! Mini Diesel! Are you okay? Are you alright? I had a very special day at Mini Ferdinand, what happened? I don't know. And Mini Dash, what happened? I just know what it is, Mini Spencer. I had a very special. Gator is the winner. He was sitting in a water gel. At last and not least, Mini Cindy, what happened? I was covered in water in a clump. Was with a minis and opened the water gel. I had a very good. It is very scary. Yeah, I just know what it is. Alright, now what's in it? Everything is stands right now. It's a so. watching, so click subscribe to give us a thumbs up.